Buongiorno, siamo di nuovo qui per
Hello,
presentare un
I am here once again to talk about a luxury lime product by BeriCalce called Travertino Romano.
Romano.
Travertine is a very hard rock used in construction. It was extensively used in ancient Rome since the first millennium BC. Many of the most important monuments in the city are built with this stone. It was formed by progressive sedimentation of calcareous deposits in special environments, as witnessed by its characteristic veins. Nowadays, it is still appreciated and exported all over the world. Luxury&LIME Travertino Romano is a product that recalls the unique features of this stone. The product is a mixture of lime and selected white marble powders. Travertino Romano comes in powder form and must be diluted with 45% water. A ready-to-use paste is available upon request. Thanks to its durability, our Travertino Romano is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Let us now move on to the application phase. To prime the surface before the application of Travertino Romano, we are going to apply a coat of BeriCalce's Ancorante Berico, mixed to 25% water. When the surface is completely dry, we can start applying the product. This phase is simple to carry out and requires no special precautions. To make for easier working and following phases, thickness should be uniform throughout the surface. After applying the product, we immediately move on to the modeling phase. We can use a regular stainless steel trowel or a plastic trowel. Once the initial modeling is over, we can work on the final effect through a number of successive modeling phases, on average 3. This is carried out by working on the surface at 15-minute intervals. The objective is to highlight the contrast between smooth and rougher parts. For a typical travertine-like texture, we can also use a spatula with plastic bristles, like this one. We have carried out the first finishing phase, and the product has hardened a bit. We can now go on with the second finishing phase. During this second phase, we will work on the texture, highlighting the contrasts. We are now over with the second finishing phase, having highlighted the contrast between smooth and rougher parts. As you may notice, these parts are not yet smooth enough, so require further working. Once the 3 modeling phases have been carried out, the surface is now ready. Once the wall is completely dry, we can apply various types of finishes like Velatura Minerale and Velatura Velosan, both part of the Luxury&LIME collection. The latter is particularly suitable for external walls. In our case, we are going to use Velatura Minerale. This product is made with micronized slaked lime and special resins, and can be mixed with Luxury&LIME colorings. With this product, we can finish off our Travertino and get a natural stone effect. The product can be used pure, but we suggest diluting it with up to 50% water for more delicate effects. The work is now complete, and we can start to enjoy our Luxury&LIME Travertino Romano wall and its light and shadow effects that grazing lights project upon it.